Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to work on the topic theory of quadratic equations. Exercise 2.1. The first thing is what is discriminant in a quadratic equation. Actually, in a quadratic formula, we have b square minus 4ac. This expression is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. And there can be three cases. In case if the discriminant is greater than 0, then what kind of roots will be there? So the roots will be unequal and real. Okay, and the roots can be rational if this thing is a perfect square. For example, if we get this thing as 64, like it's the perfect square of it, so these roots are rational, and otherwise these will be called irrational. In another case, if this b square minus 4ac, the discriminant is equal to 0, so the roots will be called equal, okay, and will be real. And in third case, when the b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so this will be called unequal and imaginary. When the discriminant greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. In this case, the roots are equal and even real. But here, when it is a perfect square, so it is rational always. You have to write it's rational. It's rational, otherwise irrational. And in this case, it's equal and real, but in this case, we will say it is unequal because inequality sign unequal, and here is inequality sign, it's also unequal, and imaginary negative numbers. For example, if we are given a quadratic equation as x square minus 8x plus 16 equal to 0, now we have this case here when we compare it with the general format of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. On comparing, we get a equals to 1, nothing means 1 is there, b equals to minus 8, and c equal to 16. So when we insert it into the discriminant b square minus 4ac, b is minus 8 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 16. Let's check out if the roots are the nature of roots. If the roots are real, imaginary, unequal, rational, what kind of roots are there? Minus minus plus 8 8s are 64 and 16 4s are 64. They cancel out, it become 0. So it is the middle one case where the roots are equal and real. In the next case, we have equation x square plus 9x plus 2 that equals to 0, and in this case we are having a as 1, b is 9, c is 2, and the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Now let's see what when we insert the values, 9 square minus 4 into 1 into c is 2. So 9 nines are 81 minus 4 twos are 8. So 73. 73 is the answer, and we say that the discriminant is this discriminant is greater than 0. When it is greater than 0 and it's not a perfect square, you can see 73 is not a perfect square, so it is irrational and unequal. It has the type of roots unequal, and these are real and irrational. These are the this kind of roots. Now the next, we have the next equation, x 6x square minus x minus 15, that equal to 0, and a is 6 while b is minus 1 and c is minus 15. The discriminant is b square minus 4ac, inserting the value of minus 1 whole square. 4 into a into c is 15. So what do we get? We get minus plus 1. Okay, so we got minus plus 4 6 are 24, 24 15 time we get 360. 360 total is 361. When we add it up, it's 361 is actually 19 square. When we take a square, it's a perfect square, so its roots are, again, first of all, these are unequal and rational and real, and the real roots. So we have one more to go, and that is 4x square plus x plus 1, that equal to 0. Now when we here we have a equal to 4, b equals to 1, c is also 1. The discriminant b square minus 4ac, while insert the value of 1 square minus 4 into a into c. So 1 square is 1, 4 4 is 16. So we got negative values, minus 15, which is less than 0, unequal. The roots, the nature of roots of this equation is unequal, and it has the negative means imaginary and imaginary roots, unequal and imaginary. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video.